I'm Delaney from CarTeck Now. Car technology changes so quickly nowadays, it seems impossible to keep up, and none of us have the budget every year to get a new car. Luckily, buying a new car is not the only option. Here at CarTeck Now, we update your current vehicle with the latest technology. Whether you want Bluetooth audio, a dash camera, a backup camera, we've got you covered. You just head on over to our website and we get it to you fast and easy and free shipping. We have a ton of options that will have your friends just as jealous of your car as you are proud. We're also way more affordable than our competitors. Go ahead, Google it. I'll wait. Told ya. And when you shop with us, your order will have a much more personal touch. Your order will either be fulfilled by me or by Jeff. That's Jeff. We're looking forward to working with you. No matter what you're looking for, CarTeck Now will get you the features you want so you can keep the car you love.